Good evening and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Weather conditions are starting to settle after the huge cold front passed over much of South Africa in the past 24 hours. We're expecting a very cold night over the central interior, and it became cloudy this afternoon along the KZN coast and the adjacent interior, and it stayed mostly cloudy and very cold over the southern interior as well. We're expecting a bit of light rain overnight along the eastern escarpment in KZN and Mpumalanga. Rain showers will start to clear from the west in Cape Town and along the south coast of the Western Cape, with dry conditions over the rest of the country. Widespread frost likely tonight, especially in the Free State, Northern Cape and Northwest, and we could foresee cloudy conditions overnight in the Lowveld, with drizzle tomorrow morning along the eastern escarpment in Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Sunny weather over much of South Africa tomorrow, but high cloud will invade the Western Cape from the west ahead of the next cold front that will reach the southwestern Cape during the course of Saturday. For tonight, the South African Weather Service still warns against huge swells all along the South African coastline between Alexander Bay and Port Edward, wave heights between 6 and 10 meters. There's also a warning for gale force westerly winds along the eastern Cape coastline that will start moderating from the west. Let's take a look at these wind speeds. Winds moderating overnight along the eastern Cape coast, but becoming strong along the KZN coastline. Fresh southeasterlies in the Lowveld overnight, calm conditions over the central interior, and fresh northeasterlies in the vicinity of Springbok. Tomorrow we're expecting another breezy day along the east coast, moderate winds along the western Cape coast, but stronger winds towards the eastern Cape. It will remain light over the central and eastern interior, but fresh northeasterlies are likely along the west coast in the afternoon. Let's take a look at Bloemfontein's forecast for tonight. Very cold conditions likely, with clear skies, calm winds and a low temperature of -5 degrees. After a frosty start to the day, we're expecting a maximum of 18 degrees tomorrow with moderate northeasterly winds. The rest of South Africa can also look forward to a very chilly night. Temperatures drop well below 0 degrees across the Free State and Northwest, down to -1 in Johannesburg tomorrow morning, 2 degrees in Pretoria. It will be cold along the coast as well, with 9 degrees in Durban, 3 overnight in George, and Cape Town dropping to a low of 7 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon, much warmer than today, 21 degrees in Pretoria, 22 in Mahikeng. It stays quite cold over the Free State and southern parts of the Northern Cape, with 10 degrees in Sutherland, Cape Town up to 17 degrees and 25 expected in Vredendal. On Saturday, we're expecting thunderstorms over the western interior and rain for the southwestern Cape. On Sunday, there's still a possibility of rain in Cape Town, while it remains fine and dry in the east. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your evening.